Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Char Griller E3001 Grillin Pro, a powerhouse among propane grills that promises exceptional performance and durability. If you're looking for the best in propane grills, you've come to the right place. Let's start with what makes the Char Griller E3001 stand out from the rest. It boasts a robust 40,800 BTUs across its 3 burners, ensuring you get consistent, even heat distribution for perfectly grilled food every time. Whether you're searing steaks, grilling vegetables, or slow cooking ribs, this grill's 630 square inches of total cooking space, including a 438 square inch primary grilling area and a 192 square inch warming rack, gives you plenty of room to work with. Built tough from tubular steel with dual smokestacks for optimal ventilation, the Char Griller E3001 is designed to last. It features thick porcelain-coated cast iron grates that retain heat superbly, ensuring your food gets that perfect sear. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the removable grease cup, making post-barbecue maintenance quick and hassle-free. Not only does it excel in performance, but it's also packed with practical features like a side burner with 12,000 BTUs for sauces or sides, a built-in thermometer for precise temperature control, and a convenient side workstation with hooks for your barbecue tools. And let's not forget its stylish barrel design in black, complete with large wheels for easy maneuverability around your backyard or patio. Now, let's talk benefits. The Char Griller E3001 consistently garners high ratings for its heat output, even distribution, and ease of use. It's perfect for both novice grillers and seasoned barbecue enthusiasts alike. Before we wrap up, let's address some common questions. Yes, it's designed for liquid propane gas, and no, it's not just for summer use, it's a year-round grill that's built to perform. In conclusion, if you're looking to elevate your outdoor cooking game with a reliable, high-performance propane grill, the Char Griller E3001 is a top contender. Check out the link in the description for more details and current pricing. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy grilling!